Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Poddishari. Today we will discuss about Indian polity. In the previous video we have already discussed the Constituent Assembly part 1 on the Indian polity part 2 video. Today we will continue this Constituent Assembly because it is not finished yet. The first question, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and please like and share this video. So today's first question is, the longest duration as a Prime Minister in India was Jawaharlal Nehru from 1947 to 1964. A separate Constituent Assembly for Pakistan was set up by. So on 3rd June 1947, which is known as 3rd June Plan, by this 3rd June Plan, a separate Constituent Assembly was set up for Pakistan. The total number of committees of the Constituent Assembly was 22, and the most important committee among this 22 committee was drafting committee, and the chairman of this drafting committee, very important, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, the total number of members on the drafting committee was 7, and these 7 members were Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Alladi Krishnasamy Iyer, N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar, K.M. Munshi, and Muhammad Sadullah, B.L. Mitter, and D.P. Khaitan. Next, the first reading of the Constitution was held on 1st February 1948. Second reading of the Constitution was on 17th October 1948, and the third reading of the Constitution was held on 14th November 1949. So there was total 3 reading of Indian Constitution, which was first was on the 1st February 1948, second was on the 17th October 1948, and the third was on the 14th November 1949, and which was finished on 26th November 1949. And in this particular day our constitution was adopted. If the question asked the date of adoption of Indian Constitution, the answer will be 26 November 1949, and the Indian Constitution came into force 26 January 1950. There is a printing mistake, it will be 26 January 1950. Then the Indian Constitution took a time to frame. The time was 2 years 11 months 17 days. The Indian Constitution take 2 years 11 months and 17 days to frame this Constitution. Many books written it as 2 years 11 months 18 days. This is also correct because 18th day was the 26th November 1949. This is the 18th day, and before means up to 25th November 1949 was 17 days, and the 26th November was the 18th days. So be careful when you answer this question. Next, the expenditure to frame the Indian Constitution was 64 lakhs. Total 64 lakhs was the expenditure to frame the Constitution. Next, who was the constitutional advisor of the Constituent Assembly? B.N. Rao. Who is the only Muslim member of the drafting committee? Very important question. Who was the only Muslim member of the drafting committee? Sir Syed Muhammad Sadullah. Next, the Indian Constitution made of 395 articles, 8 schedule, 22 parts when it was framed. At present, the Indian Constitution has 450 articles, 8 schedules, and 24 parts. Next, the Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of the world, and it is written like USA and unwritten like Britain or United Kingdom. Indian Constitution is termed as a paradise of lawyer. Very important. Who termed the Indian Constitution a paradise of lawyer? It was M.B. Pillai. Next, provincial anatomy was established in India by Government of India Act. Next, the all-important drafting committee had 2 distinguished jurists and lawyers along with chairman Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Except Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, there was 2 lawyers and jurists. Who were they in the drafting committee? They were Alladi Krishnasamy Iyer and K.M. Munshi. The idea of judicial review and preamble was taken from, very important question, many times it has come in the various examination. The preamble, concept of preamble was taken from USA. The first meeting of Constitutional Assembly was presided by Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. He was a temporary president of Constituent Assembly at first. Sachinanda Sinha, and in next Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly. So next, who was the chairman of Constituent Assembly Committee on the Rules and Procedure? Rules and Procedures. Chairman of Rules and Procedure was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Chairman of Constituent Assembly Credential Committee was Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, and Chairman of Constituent Assembly Advisory Committee was on Fundamental Rights. Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights was Sardar Patel. Next, Chairman of Union Power Committee was Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, Chairman of Union Constitution Committee was Jawaharlal Nehru. Chairman of States Reorganization Commission was Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, Chairman of Provincial Constitution Committee was Sardar Patel. Chairman of Minority Subcommittee was Harendra Kumar Mukherjee. Chairman of Rules and Procedure Committee, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Chairman of Fundamental Rights Subcommittee, J.V. Kripalini. So this is for this video. We will meet in the next video. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and support us, and please like and share this video as much as you can. Thank you.